Now, if you're one of the people that does a lot of image generating using AI at the moment, or you are going to in the future, you want to check out this software called AIarty Image Enhancer. Now just take a look at this. Now this retails for $99. Perpetual license, lasts you forever. I've taken this image, and we can see here, a little bit grainy, a little bit blurred, 1020 by 822 resolution. It's put it up to a 4K resolution. Now just look at the difference there. Now this software has been blowing me away since I've been using it. I reached out to this company. Now they also gave me a copy of the image matting, which I've already done a video on. I'm going to do another one in the future. But this software retails, like I said, for $99. Now I think it's more related towards people that use, as the title says, AIarty Image Enhancer. That's what it's really, this is where it really shines. And I'm going to show you a few examples, and I'm just going to show you as well against the competitor, which you'll pay nearly double the price for, $169 for their software. Again, amazing software as well. I do use it, but this one, excuse me, like I said, nearly half the price. And anyway, just let me just show you, because showing you the results is better than me waffling on. Now you can get a trial of this software. I'll leave a link below this video so you can try it yourself. But as you can see here, it's done a really good job of this tiger. Right, okay, so AIarty Image Enhancer has done this. Now, Topaz, I've put the same image in their software. We've done an upscale and sharpen. Now, I don't know what's gone wrong with theirs, because, like I said, their software is usually pretty good. But on this occasion, I've just tried one image to show you. You know, you can do these comparisons yourself. Which one looks better? You tell me. Let's try and get it the same size. There you go. Right, okay, so we're going to close down this one and we'll carry on with this one. Like I said, I think this is related more to the AI generated images. It seems to do a really good job of improving them. As you all know, if you do work with AI generated images, they are not the best quality. You know, they don't sort of come out at like 4K, 8K resolution. You've got to sort of like upscale them yourself later on, or with some of the software programs you can upscale them, but they will charge you blah blah blah. Whereas with this, for one payment, you can just download the images and then do them yourself at home. I'm just going to show you a real human. We've got a real human here, which again, I don't think it does an amazing job on these upscales on humans. It seems to add too much artificial detail into them, which is more accustomed to what you'd see in a AI generated image, but it can do it and it's not as good. Let me just show you on the other software, Topaz. I've got the same image in there. Topaz again as well. It just looks a little bit more, it doesn't still look artificial, but it doesn't look as bad. So like I said, I think this software is more related towards the AI art sector of people other than real photos. Now, I am having a problem with the software at the moment. I've reached out to the company. They are in the process of sorting it out. It doesn't seem to work on the GPU on the Mac M4 chips. They're going to try and fix it. They're resolving it at the moment, but at the moment I can only run this on CPU, which is a lot slower than using a dedicated GPU. Anyway, that aside, let me just show you some more examples. So we've got a AI generated burger here. As you can see, the resolution isn't brilliant on the original. It looks all right when you do that, but when you start zooming in, it just doesn't work. Whereas the software has done a really good job of enhancing all those details. We've got another one here of this dog. Again, when you generate some of these images, they are pretty low res, as you can see here, 512 by 512, and then it's done a really good job of bringing it out into something that is usable. Again, AI generated woman, and there is the result. Really good. And then I'll just show you one more. Here we've got this jar, again generated image, a resolution of 680 by 750, and then we've took it up to again 4K. It's done a good job of making it more of a usable image. Okie dokie. So there you go. I'm just giving you a quick look at this software. I do recommend it for the price, $99. You'd probably spend a lot more than that within 6 months if you are generating a lot of AI images and then using the credits that you've got with these websites to upscale it even more. Nothing comes free. Whereas for a one-off payment with this software, you'll be able to do an unlimited amount of upscaling yourself. I do recommend it. Priced at $99, like I said, and yeah, check it out yourself. See what you think.